Hello sir, I will read the second text about accountant and about my dream job. Accountant. Accountants are employed by organization or private clients to audit accounts, provide financial advice, and undertake account administration. Accountants provide financial advice to clients that range from multinational organizations and governmental bodies to small independent businesses and individuals. Accountants often specialize in particular area of practice, including audit, management consultancy, recovery, forensic accountancy, taxation, assurance, and corporate finance. Typical duties for accountants. Number 1. Preparing account and tax returns. 2. Administering payroll and controlling income and expenditure. 3. Auditing financial information. 4. Compiling and presenting reports, budgets, business plans, commentaries, and financial statements. 5. Analyzing account and business plans. 6. Providing tax planning service with reference to current legislation. 7. Financial forecasting and risk analysis. 8. Dealing with insolvency sales. 9. Negotiating the terms of business deals and move with clients and associated organizations. 10. Meeting and interviewing clients. 11. Managing college, workloads, and deadlines. Key skill for accountants. Accountants go through a rigorous recruitment and qualification process, and this is reflected in their high professional status. Employers look for graduates with the following skills. 1. Self-motivation. 2. Integrity. 3. Ability to reflect on one's own work as well as the wider consequences of financial decisions. 4. Business acumen and interest. 5. Organizational skill and ability to manage deadlines. 6. Teamworking ability. 7. Communication and interpersonal skill. 8. Proficiency in IT. 9. Analytical ability. 10. A methodical approach and problem-solving skills. 11. High level of numeracy. Next, I will read about my dream job. My current job is honorary staff in the government of East Lampung district. I am very happy with the current work where this is an opportunity to achieve my goals and dream work. My dream job is to become a civil state employer. Why? Because I accorded to becoming a civil state employer. There are a lot of advantages such as getting a fixed salary and giving benefit and getting a good career path. The duties of the civil servant are become state operators, state service and community service with full of loyalty and obedience to Pancasila and the 1945 Constitution, and implementing government and development tasks with awareness and responsibility. Qualification to be a civil servant in Indonesia citizens, good deed, working according to the selected office formation, honest, integrity, and willing to worship as well as the maximum service of the community. Skills needed are the ability to solve complex problems, think critical and creative, the ability to coordinate and negotiate, have emotional intelligence and cognitive flexibility. So much for me. Thank you.